Hello to all my dear friends. In this video, we're going to solve two very tricky questions that even teachers often get wrong. We start with 8 minus 5 equals 3, and 3 times 2 equals 6. So the expression becomes 6 plus 4 divided by 2. If we just go left to right, 6 plus 4 equals 10, and 10 divided by 2 equals 5. But this answer is completely wrong because we ignored the order of operations, PEMDAS. The order of operations is basically a set of rules that tells us which math operations to do first in an expression. Without these rules, different people might solve the same problem and get different answers, which would be confusing. We usually remember this order using the acronym PEMDAS. Let's break it down step by step. First, we handle parentheses. Any calculations inside parentheses, or brackets, must be done first. Next, we deal with exponents. This includes powers and square roots. If there's an exponent, we solve that right after the parentheses, then comes multiplication and division. These two are equal in priority, so we just go from left to right. Whichever one appears first, we do it first. Finally, we finish with addition and subtraction. Like multiplication and division, these are also equal in priority, so we again go from left to right. So, to sum it up, parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right, and finally addition and subtraction from left to right. Following this order ensures our answer is always correct and consistent. If you've been following along so far, hit that like button to give me some energy. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do it now so you don't miss out on future videos. Now, let's get back to the main topic. Now, let's look at the correct solution together. According to the PEMDAS rule, we start by solving the expressions inside the parentheses. Here, we have two sets of parentheses, so we begin with the innermost one, 8 minus 5 equals 3. Then, we solve the multiplication inside the parentheses, 3 times 2 equals 6. The expression now becomes 6 plus 4 divided by 2. Again, following the PEMDAS rule, division takes priority over addition. So, 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Finally, 6 plus 2 equals 8. Now, we've reached the question that 99% of people get wrong. Our expression includes parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, and addition. According to the PEMDAS rule, we start by solving what's inside the parentheses. 5 plus 3 equals 8, and 8 times 2 equals 16. After the parentheses, we move on to exponents. 7 squared equals 49. The expression now becomes 16 divided by 4 plus 49. Following PEMDAS, division takes priority over addition. So, 16 divided by 4 equals 4. Finally, 4 plus 49 equals 53. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, please hit the like button and leave a comment so I know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for hanging out with me.